Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the right control for the taskbar. On Windows, right-click an empty taskbar or press Windows plus I and go to Personalization. You need admin access for some policies, so make sure you're signed in. Once done, locate taskbar settings quickly and disable auto-hide temporarily so you can see movement. If your system uses a third-party launcher, exit it now so native controls take effect. This gets you immediately ready to change position, without wasting time on irrelevant setup. Now change the position. In Taskbar settings, open Taskbar behaviors and pick the screen edge you want, left, top, right, or bottom, then apply and watch the bar move. This explains why. Some apps assume bottom taskbars, so test common windows to ensure nothing is off-screen. Make fine adjustments next. Set icon size, alignment, and enable or disable auto-hide for a stable layout. Once you've confirmed visibility, save your workflow preferences and continue to final tweaks. Finish by confirming the taskbar behaves across apps and multiple displays. If something's wrong, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or reboot to force the change. Make sure display scaling and monitor arrangement aren't hiding the bar. Adjust scale or move the main display if necessary. If a policy or third-party tool prevents movement, revert the change or disable the tool, then try again. One key troubleshooting tip: lock and unlock the taskbar and restart Explorer before more invasive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.